Alright guys, me and Little Miss Braxy just got to our campsite here. We're right at the top of the Blue Ridge Parkway in North Carolina. I was here that first video that I posted when I first introduced this setup. It is beautiful up here guys, sitting at about 65 degrees right now. Right now there's a fire warning, just because of how dry it's been. So I'm debating whether or not I actually want to have that fire. There's quite a bit of glass here at this campsite. I'm gonna try to get some of that picked up so she doesn't catch her toes and I have to take her to the ER. A bunch of these little shards of glass laying all over this campsite. A little bit of trash. I definitely don't want this little doggy getting her toes. Here, be careful, babe. Yeah, see, there's stuff. Braxy, chill. Yeah, there's all kinds of big pieces here. Still finding stuff, so. I mean, you got big chunks like that right there, you know. Good girl, Braxy. Good job. The camera's not gonna quite do it justice, but this is what our view looks like right out the back of the truck. Now that I think about it, actually, I'm gonna get something a little bit beefier on the old toes here. Braxy loves helping me put my boots on, don't you, baby? Guess I'm gonna use a pack of ramen to try to level this thing out. Keep that butter from wanting to drift too far down there. Yeah, a little better. There has been some reports more recently that there's been a lot of bear and human interactions up here in this area on the Blue Ridge Parkway. I wouldn't say common, but it's becoming more common. So I am conscious of that this evening. Out of all the years I've spent camping out in the woods, I've never actually ran into a bear. Can't say that I'm particularly expecting to tonight. I'm just gonna let that fry up pretty good here, and then I'll add in the egg later and almost maybe look like an omelet. Might help it cook a little bit faster. That wind's blowing a little bit, so it's blowing the flame and probably not gonna keep an even flame on that griddle there. All right, I think that stuff's pretty done. I don't know if you can see that, but that's it. Woo! That'll keep the bears away too. That's dinner with a view right there, folks. I think I'm gonna put the trash bag inside the truck in case old Mr. or Mrs. Bear decides to come and have a little sniff. You can hear that? It's all the glass from earlier. I got my extra layer here. I'm probably gonna switch over jackets to a lighter one to sleep in. I think I'll give it one more last little sweep here before I crawl it back in here. Yeah guys, I think I'm gonna fire up this MacBook and review some of this drone footage and chill out. Not really much else I'm gonna be getting into this evening. I went ahead and lowered the
top her down just a wee bit. That way we can keep our heat in here a little bit more. Keep some of that wind out. It's about 9 p.m. I think I've done all the editing that I'm going to do for the evening. Pretty excited to share this video with you guys. I think we're going to wrap it up, call it a night, and get some shut-eye, and we'll be up bright and early tomorrow morning. And we're going to try to get into something. So we'll see you guys in the morning. Woo! It's morning. Hey. Current view as of 7 o'clock this morning. We obviously got an extra hour of sleep last night. It's daylight savings. Braxy is ready to get out. Hey girl, hi. Hey baby. Did you sleep good? Yeah? Okay. Come on. Good girl. Are you ready?